Hello, so I'm here to talk about split screen in the new 15.01 Sequoia update. I updated it this morning and I was so frustrated because split screen was not working how it used to be. My shortcuts weren't working. I couldn't do anything. And I noticed that there are these new features over here with the move and resize, and so I was doing that, but then I would do that and things would just be switching and I was so frustrated. So I actually contacted Apple support because I thought maybe it was just a glitch with the new update. It's really not. It's just that I didn't know how to use it. Actually, that's not true. There might have actually been a glitch, and then I feel like once I started figuring out, for some reason things worked, and maybe the glitches went over. I could be lying. It could all be user error. They did have me do a safety reboot, so I don't know if that did anything or not. But once I noticed that down here there was this full screen tab, and then that I was like, oh, there's the old split screen that we're used to. So it's weird because it's not even in the same area that it used to be. I don't know why it's hidden. It's kind of annoying, but yeah. And so we have these move and resize things over here, and those are kind of nice, but you still have to. So if you do that and you put that over here, it's not going to automatically like grab this. So you can grab this window yourself. Sometimes it's finicky and it's really annoying. And so then you can also have split screen from that. And then there's actually now shortcuts that they provide. So if you are like me and you had your own shortcut of move tile to the left or right of the screen, it's probably not going to work anymore because we now have these shortcuts that are provided. So that's kind of cool. That is nice. And so that's a new thing. Also, when I'm talking about new shortcuts, new window that has a new shortcut. So there might be some other new shortcuts as well. But anyway, their other new thing is so when these are kind of together, when you do the file and move and resize or file and arrange, I believe it pairs them so they kind of like they become a set, and so they normally will be together, and so you can put them up and put them down together, which may or may not, oh, that was new, I hadn't seen that before, that may or may not be annoying. So again, just getting used to those things like that. And then another new thing is, let me minimize this, make sure it's not paired, remove. You can now grab it and drop it over there. And then you can also grab this and drop it over there. Again, it doesn't like make them into an actual thing. So you just have to work harder. Again, in Windows, when you do that, it's just way smoother. So I don't know why it's weird like that, but anyway, those are more options like that. Originally when I was doing this, I think it's fixed itself, because when I would do this and I would drag it way over here, it would be switching back and forth to the new desktop. So if yours does do that, maybe it'll cool down after a while, because mine doesn't seem to be doing that anymore, but it was definitely annoying. So yeah. And then it's just kind of, it is cool though that we have more flexibility. Like we can do this, and if they're paired together, I guess they'll both do that. So that's kind of nice. But anyway, if you have been freaking out about your split screen, you're not crazy. It is definitely new. There's a lot of changes. But again, what really things started working for me was when I went to this tab full screen and I was finally able to figure out like, oh, there it is. So yeah, I hope this video helped. Yeah, thank you so much.